So it feels to me a bit risky to even make a video lecture about artificial intelligence and how to use those tools in a course like this because these tools are changing so quickly. It's become cliche to say that artificial intelligence is a disruptor. It's disrupting markets, it's disrupting jobs and industries, and it's certainly a major disruptor to education. As you've probably seen, there's very little uniformity between your classes and how your different teachers are using it. So in this video and the next series of videos, which is now the second time I'm recording a video like this because things have changed since the last time I made a video like this. In the next several videos, I'm going to talk about my policy for AI, teach you a little bit quick lesson about what AI is so you can understand what it even is and how it works. We'll explore some of its limitations. We will look at ethical guidelines for its use in your courses and in your other work in life. And then we'll look at some really specific guidelines for things you should be prepared for when doing the assignments in this class in order to kind of AI-proof your work so that you're not falsely accused of using AI when you're not using AI. But before we get into those other issues in future videos, I want to just point to the syllabus statement. This is in the section on ChatGPT and other advanced language prediction AI. That's in the academic integrity statement in the syllabus. And basically what this is saying, right, is that you shouldn't be using LLMs, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, any of those programs for any of the speech composition, the drafting of the language in your speech, and it shouldn't be used as the sole tool for doing research in this class. So it's expected that you will write all original language. You'll write in your own voice. You won't generate the language for your speeches using AI, and that if you are citing facts that you're supporting, you are supporting your speeches with quotes, paraphrases that are from credible primary and secondary sources of information. So any fact claims that you get need to be backed up by verifiable sources I can search and find, sources that you'll provide to me in your works cited page, and you'll use MLA format to do that. So using AI to generate speech content or failing to cite sources properly in MLA will result in significant grade deductions and or student code of conduct violations. And I even warn you against using something like Grammarly, any AI that's going to significantly alter the style, sentence structure, and voice of your writing could get flagged when I go to detect it and will bring scrutiny to your work, and I'll be checking to see that the source material that you're providing all checks out. It's not fake sources, and the way you describe those sources is accurate. It actually tells me what's in those sources. So we'll talk about that here in some upcoming videos. In the next video, we'll turn to what is AI.